Hey, it's Clay, and this will be a video chart on ticker symbol RIOT. We will take a look at the 30-minute time frame. Not sure what I mean by 30-minute. I do offer an explanation video at that link. Well, I don't mean to state the obvious, but I will anyways, just to establish some context here. But very, very impressive bounce. I mean, you stop thinking about the fact that at one point the price was all the way down here, and all of a sudden the price has been able to fight back to where it has. I mean, yeah, there's still a lot of work that needs to be done, but relatively speaking, from where the price was to where it was able to battle back up to, very respectable bounce. But that does lead to the valid question of, but is there any sort of true power behind this price movement? Is there any sort of genuine strength? Or is this just some sort of knee-jerk reaction, dead cat bounce? And I have no idea. But by using charts, we can make answering that question very straightforward. And in my mind, it all revolves around a single area. And that area is down here, at, let's see, what is that? 3650. Why is 3650 important? And I'm not saying at all this is what's going to actually happen. But just for explanation's sake, if the price were to come down to 3650, behave in that manner, and then continue on down, what would that be doing to the price? That would quite literally be putting the price right back to where it was. And I mean, not to insult your intelligence, but price movements that go back to where they were, not exactly a sign of true power, true strength, or anything like that. Now, to be fair, though, no price can just go straight up either. So maybe the price comes down here, behaves in that manner, then starts to go back upwards. Now, all of a sudden, what do you have? Well, a much different scenario, because you'd have a set of lows there. You'd have those lows down there, and if you envision each of those as stair steps, well, there you go. Now you have stair steps making progress in the upwards direction, and that's the name of the game. That's what a truly strong move is going to do, is it's going to make progress, and in this situation, quote-unquote progress being defined as 3650. As far as areas of resistance are concerned, next key battleground to watch closely, going to be right up there at the $45 mark, and then after 45, you'll want to keep a close eye on that purple line up there. It's on my chart denotes the 50-period moving average. But all in all, any angle you look at it, great movement today, great bounce. Now it's just a question of, can the price continue to build upon this bounce next week? Let's see what happens. First off, thanks so much for watching the entire video. Real quick, before you go, I want to invite you to a live webinar, web class, training, workshop, online event, whatever you want to call it, but it will be me live revealing to you what I've discovered that has allowed me to transform myself from being an employee to being my own boss, including how I had only one losing day out of 73 days in total. I'm going to cover 3 keys that have helped me unlock profitable consistency within the markets. The first key is super weird, but in a productive type of way. The second key is super awesome because it quite literally is wired into our DNA as humans, making it very easy to use. But in a cruel way, this becomes a pitfall for many traders. I'll explain it all though, including how to avoid the pitfall that it creates for some. And yeah, the third key, when you hear it, sounds way too good to be true, but it's not, and I'll show you how it all works. Then at the end, I open it up for a question and answer session that is, again, totally live. Even if you can't make the live session, please still sign up as it will be recorded, and you can go back and watch the replay that I will send you. Click the image on the screen or click the link down in the description box so you can get the date and time and claim your spot, which I should note is limited due to the fact that this truly is a live event. If you have any questions, let me know. If not, I'll be seeing you soon.